Welcome back. You can test different output formats with ChatGPT. Assuming that we go to this list, one of the things that we could do if we wanted to output this content is we could go to the conversation with this list. We could hover here at the bottom of the conversation, and we can copy it. We can then place this information inside of our word processing document. What we could also do is we can ask ChatGPT to output the information inside of a specific element. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to take that list. We're going to ask it to output the list in Microsoft Word. We're going to ask it to be fully formatted for a professional audience. We're then going to click Enter. ChatGPT will evaluate whether it can do what it is that you are asking it to do, and you will see that ChatGPT will attempt to do what you have asked. We can then click on the element. We probably could be more specific in what we ask ChatGPT to output. As you can see, ChatGPT will attempt to output the information in the format that you have asked. So we're now going to ask for another list, and we're going to ask for the same treatment that we received with the lesser form of the information. And ChatGPT will now attempt to do what we have asked it to do. And you now have your list output into a format that you want. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.